Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your TikTok account messages are not working. So either you can't send a message or you can't see a message, somehow your messages are not working on TikTok. First, I have TikTok open here and I'll just jump right in. I can tap on the little inbox icon at the bottom right. And you can see at the very top right I have messages. I can tap on that. If you can't send messages, you can't press the plus and send more messages. If this somehow isn't working, if you're trying to send a message, you're trying to send a message but it's just not sending over, I'll walk you through a couple of options. One thing to keep in mind is that some accounts that you go to, you might not be able to, let's pull this one up. So some accounts, you can't send them a message if they're not following you back. So you can try to send them a message, but you can't get any response, or they won't be able to see it until they follow you back. However, if that's not the case, what we can go do is just keep going back here and then tap on the Me profile icon at the bottom right here. And then we'll tap on the settings icon at the top right. And then if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see the option to clear cache. So I'll tap on that, and what that does is it clears up a lot of the temporary files and CRUD that TikTok eventually accumulates over time. So this kind of helps to wipe clean the slate a little bit, and then you can go back and check if your TikTok messages are working now. Close the app and check it again. If that doesn't work, what we'll do is we'll close that account or close the app, and we'll go into settings here. And then we'll just scroll down and go into general, and then we'll go to iPhone storage. And then what we'll do here is basically we'll look for TikTok, and what we'll do is offload it. And what offloading means, so let's just scroll down and try to find TikTok here somewhere. Seems like it's still populating. Let's see, where did it go? There it is. So what we can do is tap the Offload App button from here, and what that does is it removes the kind of bare bones installation files for the app, and then we can reinstall those. So if there's any kind of bug that's causing you to not be able to send out those messages, what you can do is just make sure that you do this. And by doing this, you kind of refresh the app. This doesn't delete any of your messages or anything that's, personal to your TikTok app, because all that is stored on the TikTok servers. This basically just refreshes the app and kind of more or less reinstalls the app. So once you do that, then you can go back and you can open up TikTok, and then you can go to your profile icon or to your messages and try them again, and they should work from there. That's it. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.